Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Bloxburg money. The most effective and primary method to earn cash in Bloxburg is by consistently working various jobs. Among these, the pizza delivery job stands out as a top earner, offering excellent pay for each successful delivery. As you gain experience and level up your job skill, your earnings per hour will increase substantially, making it a highly rewarding path to wealth. To maximize your income, always keep your character's mood stats, especially hunger and energy, above 75% for a 20% pay bonus. Also, remember to work for at least one real-world hour each day to receive a significant daily bonus. For an even greater boost, consider purchasing the excellent Employee Game Pass, which increases all your job earnings by a substantial 50%. When selecting a job, prioritize those with quick and repetitive tasks to maximize your earnings per hour. The fisherman job, for example, offers a steady income stream with relatively low effort once you understand the mechanics. Alternatively, the cashier job provides consistent pay and helps you progress your skill level efficiently, making both excellent choices for building your Bloxburg wealth. Building substantial wealth in Bloxburg requires consistent effort and dedication to your chosen job. By regularly working, you will accumulate significant amounts of money over time. It is wise to save your earnings for major purchases, such as luxurious homes or high-end vehicles. Additionally, strategically reinvesting some of your money into improving your home can increase its value, contributing to your overall long-term financial success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.